All right, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a question from Eric. He emailed me about the dust collection for solid surface material. And so I'm gonna try a 5-inch grinder with 40 grit sandpaper, and this is a dust shout. And we've got it connected to a dust collector, and I'll try it with and without, and we'll see what the difference is. Okay, so now we'll take off the dust collector here, and we're going to sand this without it. So that was without it. It's a lot more dust. So I'll hook the hose back up and we'll try it one more time with the dust collector. As you can see, there's virtually no dust with the dust collector. So it's really great to have a dust collector. The only problem is this hose. It gets stuck on the edge all the time, so it's a little cumbersome, but it does work and it sucks up a lot of dust. It makes a huge difference. So I would recommend getting a dust collector, especially inside a home. Anyway, thanks for watching, and be sure to comment below. See you next time.